Namaste. I am KV Rao from Textile Committee. Textile Committee is a department belongs to Ministry of Textiles to promote quality in textile industry. Today we are at FAPSI having a seminar on restructured tough scheme. This seminar today is particularly for the new entrepreneurs to start new industry, not only develop themselves, give employment to unemployed people so that we all together progress further and develop India into a developed country. That is the intention of this seminar, and this seminar we are discussing what are the government schemes available to start a new industry, how the government is giving benefits, facilities to start new industry. The tough scheme is a textile upgradation fund wherein you have a capital subsidy, you have a interest subsidy and different projects, different schemes. So those schemes are being given awareness to the entrepreneurs so that they can start industry. From my department, we are mainly concentrating on improvement of quality. Not only quality, improve efficiency, produce a better quality so that our product will be good, price competitive and it is more profitable to the producer. So in our office, we have different sections like laboratory, where we test the textile products, and we have a export promotion, quality assurance, where we support industry to promote production, quality, costing. Then we have a department of market research where we do market trends. Not only trends, we do survey from consumer point of view, what he needs, what he buys, at what rate he purchases, so that industry will come to know what is needed in India, what is being consumed by the consumer. Then we have a department of TQM, that is Total Quality Management. Now, earlier the quality is being controlled by segregation. Now we have to manage the quality in a better way according to the international standard. We have a market research wing, we do it, and we are implementing handloom mark scheme where the brand name of the handloom being products are promoted. So as you know the value of the brand, so there is a handloom mark for branding handloom goods. We implement, we promote the trademark of handloom, which helps handloom weavers to produce more and realize better price for their product. And also we do service to the ginning press industry by rating the industry. Rating, it gives a satisfaction to you where you stand, how to improve, and generally everybody thinks that his unit is very competitive, very modernized. But when you compare with the industry available in India, you will come to know what are the drawbacks you are facing, how you can improve it. And also, see, any market, brand name is important. So when your unit is rated and given like a 5-star, more customers will come to you and you can demand price also. So like this, we do all services to improve your efficiency, to improve your quality, and we do training of the industrial personnel. So in industry, skill upgradation is very important. Now we have a ISDS scheme, skill development. So at very nominal charge, we give training to your employees so that they can improve their skill and produce like this. So it is a one-stop center, Textile Committee, to produce, to be competitive. Please visit our website textilecommittee.gov.in or contact us at Hyderabad office. Our phone number is 233-27153. You can contact my cell also 944-188-6891. Thank you.